Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Have you saw my squishy package with the sun? You know, I haven't opened it yet, so I wanted to do a video again. So I got some scissors, and I'm gonna open it. If you guys can hear that in the background, I'm so sorry. It's a Squish Me, and I think I'm gonna use the tag part to put on my so I'm just gonna trim like that much. So guys, I just cut the thing, like the part that this is such a soft, well, this part isn't like soft because it's rough, but like it's pretty soft. That's super squishy, guys. If you guys, oh, this, what is that? So I think this is a part that I didn't see when I opened this up, but this is very nice. I mean, guys, this is the most nicest squishy I have felt of a popcorn squishy, because I haven't made a popcorn squishy. If you guys like my new stand, it's blue now, so like there's some cracks. Actually, there isn't. So like, yeah, it's actually, I like this hard to squish it. So if you guys want to see my face, I'm actually kind of sick, but like, oh, this is so nice. It actually hurts like doing, I love poking this hurt. So I am loving this, loving this. So that's it for the video. If you guys like me opening squishies, like waiting when I have the package. Oh, again, that was my first squishy package, like recording. I had other squishy packages off camera, but bye guys. Please subscribe if you guys want me to do this more, because I think this is really fun. Knowing what the only problem is this part, and I think it's just like, it's not like, I think it was the you don't know what happened in shipping, but yeah, I'm gonna use this and tape it back up. But this is a very nice squishy. If you guys like, I'm just like this way, but I'm actually this way, and I was turned a different way. So bye.